everyone. Petals Bliss here. Welcome back to my channel. I'm coming on today with a DIY for you guys, and the DIY that I have is, I call it a rustic glam DIY. Yes, because I like the rustic look. I like the look of the wood and everything like that, and of course, you know, your girl loves the glam. I love the bling. I'm not gonna give that up, so I'm putting the two together and call it rustic glam. Yes, I am. Now I think it's a nice cute centerpiece that I'm doing. You could have it for a wedding or for any event that you're planning and you have tables that you need to decorate. Yeah. All right, you know what time it is. It's time to see what we are doing for today's DIY. Alright everyone, here's the items that we'll be using for today's DIY. And everything will be listed down below in the description box. Alright everyone, we have this wood basket. We call it a square. Yeah, I guess it can be called a basket. It's square. So we have this here. And then we have our bling gems, which you can get from Walmart or Dollarama or even Dollar Tree. Dollar Tree has them too. And we have our handy glue gun. Now you can use any adhesive that you'd like to use. I'm using the hot glue. And we're going to glue our gem pieces going up all the sides of our basket. Yeah. And I'll be putting a touch of glue at each end because these do have adhesive on them, but they're not quite as strong. So I'm just putting some glue at each end of the gems. And here is our basket, all done. All the corners have the bling gems going up. Doesn't that look nice? I love how the rustic and the glam look together. Alright, so now we're gonna add some gems from Totally Dazzled. I love these gems. They add a touch of elegance and class to whatever you place them to. So I'm just gonna use the glue and glue it down. Again, use any adhesive that you would like to glue down your project. Alright, now we have these vase here that we are going to bling out the bottom of them with our gems. Yeah, we're just going to bling out the bottom, going all the way around. And like how this is glass, I find that these adhesive, they stick a little better to glass than they do to other materials. So you can use adhesive, extra adhesive if you'd like to. You know, whichever glue you'd like to use. So I'm just placing them all around, and I think I'm going to do 2 or 3 layers going all the way around. And here are our jars all finished. That looks very nice at the bottom. So now we are going to use this burlap rope, and we're going to use it and tie it around our container. Just like this. Just measuring it out and cut the length that we want. And now I'm just going to use some hot glue and glue it down. And now for our gems again from Totally Dazzle. I'm going to glue it right in the middle of our burlap. And here is our final look, our rustic glam centerpiece. Oh, I just love how it looks. OMG. Look at that. Look at the bling on the wood. Elegant. It looks so elegant. And our candle holders. OMG. With the burlap going around. And our bling gems from Totally Dazzle. And the gems at the bottom of the vase also. And the vase is just left clear. That looks nice and clean and elegant. OMG. And look at it. Look at the container. Look at it. The basket with the wood and the bling. Very nice. And our flowers inside. Absolutely beautiful. I love this rustic glam look. I think it looks nice, clean, and elegant. A lovely centerpiece for a wedding decor, any kind of event that you're having, and you need a lovely centerpiece on your table. I think this is an absolutely beautiful look. And you see, you put two styles together and they look lovely. Yes, they do. I love them. I had this idea in my head. I put it together and it turned out much better than I expected. Yes, it does. I just love this new look. And the gems from Totally Dazzle and the clear candle holders. Don't they look lovely? All clear and elegant all by themselves. It's absolutely beautiful. Alright everyone, I hope you enjoyed today's DIY that we have here. The rustic glam look. Like I was telling you, I love it. I love the wood, the bling, and everything. And our gems. Our gems from Totally Dazzle. Tied all together. I think it looks really nice. So leave me a comment down below and tell me what you think of today's DIY. Yeah. And remember, if you're not subscribed, press that subscribe button and hit the bell so you will be notified when I come up with another DIY to share with you guys. And remember, as always, stay blessed from Petal is Bliss. And I will catch you on the next one. Bye-bye, everyone.